Hi everyone, today we're talking about how to communicate effectively in Indonesia. Indonesia is a beautiful country with a rich culture. But if you're not familiar with the language and customs, it can be a bit challenging to communicate effectively. First, let's talk about country codes. When calling Indonesia from abroad, you'll need to use the country code 62. This is important to know so that you can connect with the people you're trying to reach. Second, it's important to be respectful of local protocols. In Indonesia, it's customary to address people with their title and last name. Third, VoIP solutions can be a great way to stay connected with people in Indonesia. VoIP, or Voice over Internet Protocol, allows you to make calls over the internet. This can be a more affordable option than traditional phone calls. Finally, it's important to understand cultural nuances and overcome language barriers. Indonesians are known for their hospitality, so be sure to be polite and respectful in your interactions. If you don't speak Indonesian, there are a number of translation apps and services available that can help you communicate. Got questions on how to communicate effectively in Indonesia? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech and communication tips. Callmama, connecting peoples with loved ones.